Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. And this is my base box. We're going to be seeing what I got this month. I haven't gotten my premium yet, so we'll unbox that at a later date. So let's just get into unboxing my Boxycharm. Alright, first off we got our card here, and the theme this month is sunshine. I also got 32 is my variation if anybody wants to know. So we're going to get right into it. So I got the first thing in here is Touch and Soul, and it's Classy Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Let's open it up and see what it is. And that's what it looks like. And let's see what it says. An ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. It retails for $32. That's not too bad. That's pretty much right up my alley. I'm kind of into hydrating and shiny type illuminating primer, so we'll have to try this out and see what we think about it. I'll let you know. Next I got is the Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner by Lavish. And that's what it looks like. Let's see what it says. With the Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water, reusable and washable. Retails for $20. Alright. And let's see. That's what it looks like on the inside if you had never seen a color switch. And you just rub your brush in there. It says you can wash the sponge with your favorite cleanser, allow to air dry and return sponge to its container. I didn't know that you can wash it and put it back in there to reuse it. Next, we got the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster with watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. This is what the box looks like. And that's what the bottle looks like. Alright, let's read about it. We got a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. It retails for $49.95. That sounds pretty good. Okay, on next to the next item, and we got the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro-Sculpting Pencil Micro Crayon. And that's the box. Let's see if I can get it out. And that's the brow pencil. And an ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for micro blade worthy effects without the blade. The 1.4 millimeter tip provides complete control for naturally defined brows. It retails for $28. So I'm pretty excited to try this out and see, because I know it's got a little bit of a different, it's got like an oval type point on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like an oval type point. So I'll have to see how I like it and try that out. I'm pretty excited. Alright, next we got the Pure Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. Let's open it up and see. Let me read what it says about it while I'm opening it up. Get into a state of intense euphoria with the shimmer-infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking, light-reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come completely with matte and transition shades, and it retails for $36. So that's what the front looks like. And then open it up, and that's the colors. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. I've never tried Pure's eyeshadow formula, so I'm pretty excited to try this out and see. I know Raw Beauty Christie just came out with her palette with Pure, so I'd like to kind of try out their formula and maybe one of these days get her palette. We'll have to see. But if it comes back into stock, that is, which it's supposed to, they say. But that's it for my Boxycharm this month. So I'm pretty excited about what I got for the most part. I'm excited about the vitamin C booster. I want to try that, especially it having like the UV filter and all that. And I'm excited about trying out the brow pencil and the eyeshadow palette, and also the primer, the Touch and Soul primer. So I think we got some pretty good little options here to try out this month and see what we think. And I'm trying to do like end of the month kind of reviews on stuff, or doing reviews on stuff. So kind of, if you want to subscribe and ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, that way you can be notified for my reviews on this. Normally I'm going to try to at the end of the month to do it, so just look out for that. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I guess I'll talk to you later. Alright, bye y'all.